Mayo's building up his nerve. Go touch it. Go touch it again. Go touch dinosaur. Go touch dinosaur. Mayo touch dinosaur. Not showing a whole lot of bravery here out of either one of you two. Yeah, mommy touch dinosaur? Wow, Mayo touching. This thing has got them scared out of their pants. May you go touch it? Go touch on the head. Good job. Yeah, you did. You touched the head. May you scared? You would think it was a real dinosaur. Look at this. Who's hiding behind who? You gonna hide behind your sister? That's not a good look. You throw the ball at dinosaur? Now you go touch dinosaur. Don't touch it. Go touch it. Yes, you scared? Is that why you're hanging on mommy's leg?